Hello, and welcome to the AI for Humans course. In this first short video, I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself, why I fell in love with artificial intelligence, and also why I made this course. So let's start with a few words about me. My name is Gianluca Mauro, I'm from Italy, and I'm the author of a book called Zero to AI, which I have right here. And Zero to AI, it's a manual for business leaders to understand artificial intelligence and use that in their business. I'm also the founder, together with my good friend Nicolo Valigi, of a company called AI Academy. And in the last 5 years with AI Academy, we've been super lucky to work with top executives at corporations, but also with startup entrepreneurs, and also even teaching AI to high school students or to university students or to people that wanted to change their career. But like you, I haven't been knowing AI since I was born. I started from nothing. Actually, I'm not a computer scientist. My background is in energy engineering, and this is the only picture I have that really proves it, is when I got my master's degree. I really didn't like that much engineering, and I was super lucky one day to win a scholarship to move to Silicon Valley. I spent in Silicon Valley 6 months, and during that time it was crazy. I was so lucky to be there at this best time in history to know everything about artificial intelligence. And I'll tell you the story of the first time that I realized that something special was going on. I was driving my car on the Highway 101, which is a highway that connects the south of California with San Francisco, and I found this billboard on the highway. It's the ad of a company that sells AI and machine learning services. And I thought, well, in Italy, we don't see ads of machine learning companies. What the hell is going on? If AI and machine learning are so important that people are advertising on the highways, there must be something happening. And at the time, I was super lucky because it was very democratic to get new knowledge about AI and hear the stories of the AI revolution right from the protagonists. For example, I was able to go to Stanford and listen to this guy talking. This guy is Peter Norvig, the head of research at Google Brain. And I just remember sitting there and listening to him explaining how AI changed the way that Google operated. But then things became a little bit more complicated. With years, there has been so much hype around artificial intelligence. So if I just made a simple Google search and I looked for AI disruption, and I found tens of articles of people saying that AI was disrupting basically any industry. And there are companies that are using AI to advertise their products, like Apple with Siri or Huawei for their new phone. But even the fashion brand Yves Saint Laurent used an AI researcher to advertise their new perfume. So it's really hard today for everyone to understand actually what is artificial intelligence and what's going on in the world. And this is why I decided to make this course, because I wanted to make AI knowledge more democratic to everyone. I wanted to help you and all your friends and all your family even understand exactly what is artificial intelligence, a little bit about how it works and how it's impacting your life today. So with that being said, let's get started.